Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to lock apps on Infinix Smart 9. So let's get started. First of all, open the Phone Master app on your device, scroll down and tap on the app lock option. Next, turn on the app lock feature. After that, select the apps that you want to lock for extra privacy and security. Set up your lock pattern or password and confirm it. Now, your selected apps will be locked and protected from unauthorized access. This method is simple, fast, and very useful if you want to keep your personal apps safe from others. It works smoothly on the Infinix Smart 9 without needing any third-party applications. That's it. Our work is done. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and tricks.